Want to grow your own fresh vegetables but don't have much space? No worries. You can easily build a vertical hydroponic system using 4-inch PVC pipes right at home. It saves space, grows faster, and keeps everything clean and green. There are many hydroponic techniques you can try, starting with the Wick System, the simplest one. No pumps, perfect for beginners. Then there's the NFT system, nutrient film technique, used by many professional growers. And if you want to save space, go for vertical hydroponics. You can use PVC pipes or tiered racks. It looks neat, stylish, and gives you plenty of fresh harvests. Here's what you'll need. 4-inch PVC pipe, about 50 centimeter long. Net pots and rock wool for the growing medium. A small water pump and a nutrient tank. AB mix hydroponic nutrients. So, what are the benefits of small-scale home hydroponics? There are plenty. First, it's water efficient, since the water keeps circulating. Second, it's pesticide-free, so your veggies are healthier for your family. Third, it grows faster and cleaner than traditional soil planting. And the best part? You get to enjoy a relaxing hobby while harvesting your own fresh food. So, what are you waiting for? Turn your balcony, backyard, or even a small corner of your home into a mini hydroponic garden. It's simple, productive, and incredibly rewarding.